Hey y'all, it's Mr. Latcher. What's going on? I'm doing another video, and this one is on non-proportional relationships. Okay, non-proportional relationships, remember, you will add or subtract. These will not start at the origin. So, if you can see right here, it says plus 2. So, because this plus 2, I know that, sorry my hand, I start my first point on the y-axis at plus 2. So 0, 2, 0, 2. The y-axis is when x equals 0. Understand? So all I did is I did my input and output. So I just did what it says. My input is negative 3. It says whatever x is, you're going to add 2. So negative 3 plus 2 gives me negative 1. Negative 2 plus 2 gives me 0. Boom, that's that point. Negative 1 plus 2 doesn't give me a negative 1. I love messing up so you can see because we all make mistakes. What I actually get is a positive 1. I'm trying to erase this negative off there. So I get positive 1. That's this point. With 0 plus 2, it's 2. So again, 0, 2. My y-intercept is 2. Okay? Next one, of course, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 2 is 4, and so on. Also, if you notice, it's x. What is the coefficient in front of x? If you don't see one, you know that there's a 1. So, how do I write 1 as a fraction? Well, I write it as 1 over 1, and my rise is the one on top, and my run is the one on bottom. So all I did was go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. Started at 0, 2 because my b or my y-intercept says plus 2. And that's all I did. And if I go down, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. Easy. Let's look at this next one. It says y equals 2x plus 3. So where do I start this one at? I start this one at 3. My y-intercept is 3 because it says, excuse my hand again, plus 3. Now, what's my slope? My slope is 2. And how do I write 2 as a fraction? 2 over 1. Rise over run. So all I did was started at plus 3 on my y-axis because it says it right here. And also my t-chart says 0, 3. They're the same thing. And then I follow my rise over run, 2 over 1. Up, start right here, and then I go up 2 over 1. Up 2 over 1. Now I can go down, remember, because if I go down, that's a negative direction. Down 2, okay? And when I go to the left, that's also a negative direction. Over 1, and a negative divided by a negative is a positive. That's why it works if I go down. Down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1. And if you see and you recognize, my coordinates in this t-chart match up to my points that I have on this line. Negative 5, negative 7, negative 4, 5, negative 3, I'm sorry, negative 4, negative 5, negative 3, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1. What I do here? I think I messed up right here. Oh, yes. That's negative 1, 1. Don't you love it when you mess up in that pause? 0, 3, 1, 5, 2, 7. You know it's real if I don't fix any mistakes. Next two, and then we're going to go from there. This is going to be a short video, and I hopefully you understand it. Okay, let me fold this back. Now, for this one, I have this equation. Now pay attention. First of all, my y-intercept is not positive 3, it's negative 3. And so what I actually did was start at 0, negative 3. Your y-intercept is negative 3, and it says it right here. And my rise overrun is negative 2 over 3. So I know my line has to be negative. Rise equals 2, run equals 3. But one of those has to go into a negative direction, so let's put the negative 3 right there. So let's see what I did. I rose 2 over in a negative direction 3. 1, 2, 3. Rose 2, 1, 2 over 1, 2, 3. Now remember, the negative does not have to go in the 3. It could actually go over the 2. It really doesn't matter. But one needs to go in a positive direction and the other one needs to go in a negative direction. So let's go in a negative direction. Let's go down. 1, 2, and let's go into a positive direction 3. 1, 2, 3. A negative direction divided by a positive direction is a negative. This is why my line is negative. And again, write the word slope to know what direction your line is facing, and that's going down, so it's negative. So I go again, down 2 over 3, 1, 2, 3, down 2, 1, 2 over 1, 2, 3, and down 2 over 1, 2, 3. Y'all, this line is graphed. My points show it. Negative 6, 1, right here. Negative 3, negative 1, right here. 0, negative 3, right here. 3, negative 5, right here. And 6, negative 7, right here. How do I also know it's a negative relation? Because these numbers are going up while these are going down. X is going up and Y is going down. A positive direction divided by a negative direction is a negative. Understand. One more, and then we're done for this video. We have this one. Where does it say to start at? Negative what? 4. Bam. So I know my y-intercept is negative 4. So I went down to 1, 2, 3, 4, drew my first point. What does my rise say? 4 over 3, but positive. So rise equals 4 and run equals 3. And so I started my y-intercept, which is negative 4, boom, and it says 0, negative 4, boom. And then I go up 1, 2, 3, 4 over 3. 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1, 2, 3. Now if I go down again, I'm going down in the negative direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. But over in another direction, negative direction, 1, 2, 3. And a negative divided by a negative is a positive. So this is why it works. That's it. Graphing non-proportional relationships. Non-proportional relationships will not start at the origin. You will be adding or subtracting. And then rise over run is numerator over denominator. All right. Hopefully y'all understand that. Take care, and we'll see you later. Have a good one. Bye.